Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
Hi everybody, this is Eric with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in Beavercreek today with Bobby, and him and his wife just purchased a whole house full of windows, an entry door and a sliding glass door. I believe it was 14 windows that we did.
14.
And so he agreed to give us a video testimonial. So the first question, Bobby, would be, how would you say the sales process went when the renovation advisor came out?
Sales process went very smoothly. I reached out to Eric online, and we were kind of texting back and forth. I provided him all of the dimensions of everything, and it was nice because he kind of gave me a rough estimate of what everything might cost before he even came out, and we spent 2 hours going over everything. We ultimately did move forward with it. So I really appreciated that and the communication process as a whole. And Eric and Alex came out. They kind of gave us a demo of the window itself, and we told them exactly what we were looking for with regard to a beautiful new front door and the sliding glass door in the back of the house. And he gave us a quote that day, and we wrote him a check, and we were ready to move forward.
That's great. So once the guys came out to do the install, how would you say they treated you, your wife, and your house?
Randy, he and his other two guys, I think it was Chris and Danny.
Yep.
Chris and Danny, the craftsmanship and their work were great. They treated us and the house with respect. They had some challenges ripping out the old crappy windows that we had, but Randy made sure that he came back and put the necessary mud and spackle on everything to make everything look as beautiful as it could with the new windows. And communication process with Randy went great via text, via phone call. They were always on time, if not a few minutes early, and
Nice.
Did everything, 14 windows, new front door, and a sliding door over the course of about 3 days. And we really couldn't ask for better communication and craftsmanship and just the work ethic in general for the guys that came out and did this for us.
Thanks. That's really great to hear that these guys are taking care of your property like we asked them to. And then final question, Bobby, would you feel that we did such a good job that you would give us a referral to your friends and family?
100%. I've already recommended you guys to a few others, especially in this neighborhood. We had the sign out there, and we already had a number of people that have been commenting on the front door.
Nice.
And we hope that just through that communication process, especially as these homes get a little bit older, we're not going to be the only ones here replacing these windows and everything moving forward. And I know that people will ask us about it when the time comes, and the very first people that I'm going to recommend is Window Depot and Eric here.
Hey, we really appreciate that. And Bobby, once again, we want to appreciate you for your business. It means a lot.
Thank you.
And thanks for doing the testimonial.
Absolutely.
And peace out, everybody.
All right.